In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Suno AI app on your phone. To get started, unlock your device and open the app marketplace that matches your phone. If you're using an Android device, that will be the Google Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. These are the official places to download apps safely, so it's always best to begin there rather than using links from random websites or messages. Once the store is open, go to the search bar and type in Suno AI. As you search, you may see a few similar looking results, so take a moment before tapping anything. The important thing here is to make sure you're selecting the official app. So look closely at the publisher name listed on the app page and verify that it matches the official publisher. This is a simple but important step because it helps you avoid downloading copycat apps that may have similar names or icons. After you've confirmed that you're looking at the correct Suno AI app, tap Install if you're on Android or Get if you're using an iPhone. Depending on your device settings, you may need to confirm the download with your fingerprint, face scan, or device password. That's completely normal and just part of your phone's security process. Now give the app a moment to download and install. The amount of time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed and available storage space. So if it doesn't happen instantly, don't worry, it should complete automatically as long as your connection is stable. When the installation finishes, tap Open to launch the app right away. You can also find it later on your home screen or in your app library if you prefer to open it afterward. Opening the app after installation is a good idea because it lets you confirm everything worked correctly and gives you a chance to check any initial permissions or setup screens the app may show. And that's it. You've successfully found, verified, installed, and opened the Suno AI app on your phone. If you're following along, just take your time with the publisher verification step, since that's the most important part for downloading the right app safely.